Princess.
Frederick.
Eddie.
As a debater, one of the most common questions I get asked is, what event do you do? I usually respond with LD debate or Lincoln Douglas debate, and I still get that blank stare. I've been asked this question for about the past 4 years. According to the National Forensics League, LD debate is one-on-one policy debate. That means that it's only you and another person defending two sides of the debate resolution. LD rounds can get a little difficult to understand, but with the right understanding, you can learn a lot. Today, I'm here to explain to you the way an LD round is ran, and then I will suggest to you ways you can be successful throughout an LD round. During an LD round, you must maintain a certain time structure, the time structure being 6-3-7-3-4-6-3, or the LD speech order of 6-3-7-3-4-6-3. This contains the affirmative and negative and what they're supposed to do with 2 3-minute cross-examination rounds, which means that you ask questions during those 3 minutes. You may either be negative or affirmative, but either way you have to know information and what is going on throughout the round. Judy Nelson went on to state that the first LD debate round speech of 6 minutes is an affirmative constructive speech. It is there for the act to state their case on the resolution that is at hand and that they are debating during the round. Knowing all of these times, the 6-3-7-3-4-6-3 method keeps you organized in an LD debate round. With that being said, now you have a basic understanding of the time structure that is going on through the LD debate round. So let's move on to the sides and what you're actually debating during the round. LD debate is debated by two sides. You have an affirmative and a negative. And these two sides have two different jobs. The affirmative and negative sides are put in place so that you are able to educate your judge on two different backgrounds of the resolution. The affirmative side is the side that defends the resolution. You build up a 6-minute case that allows you to tell all the great things about the resolution and what is going on. That being said, the negative has to go on to attack that case, and they also have to state a case of their own. During the negative side, they must attack and state their case and also keep an organized time structure of what is going on, considering the fact that their speeches are a little less than the affirmative. During these negative side and affirmative side, they need to maintain and make sure that they have claim warrant data and impact throughout each of their speeches so that the judge is not overwhelmed and that they can keep an organized flow of what is going on throughout the debate round. So now let's move on. As you can see, we know what is going on with both sides. So now let's look at tips on how to win the LD debate round. First, you must make sure that each side gives a voter. A voter is something that helps the negative and affirmative maintain their win for today's round. That is stated by the debatebrilliance.com. We see here that voters are something that you need in order to succeed in a debate round. That is what helps you win. That is what tells your judge that, hey, I'm a winner in today's debate round and you should pick me. You must stay confident, cool, and focused throughout the LD debate round. That shows that you know what you're doing and that you can keep sight of the goal at hand, which is to win the round. The judge will look at that and see that the debater knows what they're doing, so they can go on and win the round. And third, you have to make sure that you keep in mind that LD is the debate that is supposed to educate others while defending your own sides. Even though you're the negative, you are to educate your judge on why we shouldn't uphold this resolution or what the affirmative is doing wrong. And if you're the affirmative, vice versa. Uphold the resolution and make sure that you tell the judge everything that is going right while the resolution is being upheld. As you can see, there are certain things during the round that you can help you win your judge over. So, as we talked about today, we've seen how the times in LD debate help keep you organized, and that the 6-3-7-3-4-6-3 method is something that is a structure of an LD debate round, and you have to keep that in mind whenever you're debating. Secondly, we've looked at how the LD debate round is two-sided. You have an affirmative and a negative, and you must uphold both of those in the debate round. Whether you're the affirmative or the negative, you have to make sure you have a claim, warrant, data, and impact. And with that being said, you have to make sure that you are organized in going through the steps of the process. And third, we had tips on how to win the debate round. You have to stay calm, cool, and collected to be a successful debater. Make sure that you use voters so that you are making sure you tell your judge a reason why you should win the debate round. And third, remember that LD is something that is there to educate others while defending your side as well. Next time someone comes up and asks you, well, what does Lincoln Douglas debate really mean and what does it stand for? Make sure that you tell them and sit them down and take them step by step, because now you have a clear understanding of what LD debate really is. And remember to tell them that it's not that difficult and that it looks easier than what it really is. Thank you.